Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your Sunmix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Vivo V17 smartphone price and specification. Today we'll discuss about Vivo V17 smartphone, its price and specification. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button on the right side, you will get the notification for the next videos. To get full information, and please watch the video from the beginning to the end, otherwise you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. So Vivo V70 smartphone price and specification US and mix report. Vivo V17 will be launched in India on December 9, 2019. Will be equipped with 5-hole display. China's smartphone maker Vivo is going to launch its latest smartphone Vivo V17 in India on 9th December 2019. This phone of Vivo is the third most powerful device of the company's flagship line. Vivo first introduced this phone in Russia. One of the features of this phone is to punchhole display. So main feature is the punchhole display, and it is first launched in the Russia, in the country in Russia. And Vivo V17 price. Now the price of this company priced is 22,990 Russian rubles, around 25,800 rupees. And with this variant of 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. So this variant, this price is 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Price is 22,990 Russian rubles, Russian currency, and in Indian market it is about 25,800 rupees in India. At the same time, the customer will be able to buy this phone with the cloudy blue and the blue fog color options. So this is the two options. This is the picture of this Vivo V17 smartphone. Okay, Vivo V17 specification. The company has given 6.38-inch full HD display in this phone, which is resolution is 1800 into 2340 pixels. Also, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor has been given for better performance in this phone. At the same time, the phone works on the Fun Touch OS 9.2 and Android 9 Pie. So this is the specification about Vivo V17 smartphone. Vivo V17 camera. Talking about the camera, users will get quad camera setup in this phone, which has 48 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. In addition, the company has given 32 megapixel camera for front of this phone. So it has a 48 megapixel rear camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor for rear camera, and the selfie camera is 32 megapixel. The front camera, you can take selfie with this 32 megapixel camera. So, and Vivo V17 connectivity and battery. In terms of connectivity, Vivo has given features like Bluetooth 5.0, dual 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, USB type C port and NFC support in this phone. In addition, users will get 4500 MHz battery. So its price is about 25,800 in Indian market, 25,800 in Indian market, and in Russia it is 22,990 in Russian currency ruble. And its main is the punch-hole display. Main feature is the punch-hole display, and the 6.38-inch full HD plus display, resolution 1080 into 2340 pixels display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, and the operating system is 9.2, Fun Touch OS 9.2 and of Android 9 Pie. Also its camera is 48 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel selfie camera. Also the Bluetooth is 5.0 dual 4G dual band Wi-Fi, USB type C port and NFC support on this phone. In addition, 4500 megahertz battery is available in this V17 smartphone. So this is about the specification and the price of this Vivo V17 smartphone. So that's it about our video today. And after watching this video, you can now know about the information of this Vivo V17 smartphone price and specification. And if you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our US and Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of US and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.